This video is to explain the time display formats section of the About sidebar. You will want to scroll down and click to expand the additional document settings. You will then click on the time display formats to expand this section. The time zone will affect your time markers, so I have provided the option to make changes to the time zone that the add-on inherits from your spreadsheet. To change the time zone, we offer the standard US time zones as examples. There is also a link that has all the time zone values that can be used. You want to make sure that you use a time zone value and not the time offset. The display format of the date and time can also be modified. A few basic formats are displayed with a drop-down for each field, but you can also make your own modifications. I recommend studying the information regarding the simple date format because I do not offer any support when you change it from the default. After making any changes, remember to click the Update Time Settings button to save the changes. These settings will need to be done on a sheet-by-sheet basis.